Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into the Babish 10-piece hard-anodized laser titanium forever non-stick technology durable pots and pans cookware set in sleek black. For anyone who watches Andrew Rhee's culinary adventures, you know he has a discerning eye for cookware, and this set promises a lot. Let's see if it lives up to the Babish name. First off, let's talk about what's actually in the box, because that's crucial for any cookware set. You're getting a generous collection here. There are two frying pans, an 8-inch and a 10-inch, both with handy side spouts for easy pouring. Then, a larger 12-inch frying pan comes with its own tempered glass lid. Moving on to saucepans, there's a 2.5-quart saucepan that cleverly includes a strainer lid, which is a really nice touch for draining pasta or vegetables. Next up is a 4-quart sauté pan, also complete with a glass lid. Finally, the set is rounded out by a substantial 6-quart Dutch oven, which also features a glass lid. This is a well-rounded collection that covers most everyday cooking needs, from quick weeknight meals to more involved recipes. The heart of this cookware's claim to fame is its ActivBond technology. Babish describes this as fusing the hard-anodized aluminum and the non-stick coating at an incredible 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The idea is that this extreme heat creates an incredibly strong bond, resulting in superior durability and an easy-release finish that's meant to last. We'll certainly be putting that to the test. Underneath that technology, we have the hard-anodized aluminum construction. This process makes the aluminum significantly more durable and robust than standard aluminum cookware. It's designed to offer efficient heat distribution, meaning your food cooks more evenly, and it provides extra strength for long-lasting performance, which is exactly what you want for everyday use. The interior is a scratch-resistant ceramic non-stick. This is a big deal for many people, and Babish emphasizes that this coating is made without PFOA, PTFE, lead, or cadmium, which are often concerns with traditional non-stick surfaces. They claim this ceramic interior is tougher than conventional non-stick, which is a bold statement. One of the most intriguing features is the claim that this cookware sears like stainless steel. Many non-stick pans struggle to achieve a good sear, but if this set can deliver that while still offering easy cleanup, it would be a significant advantage. It's perfect for getting that nice crust on meats, sealing in all the juices and flavors. Compatibility is always important, and this set is induction safe. That means it'll work with all stovetops, including gas, electric, halogen, glass, and of course, induction. So, no matter what kind of cooktop you have, you should be good to go. Let's talk about the handles. They are riveted stainless steel handles, and the design is quite interesting. They feature a Y-shaped structure which is designed to dissipate heat. This should provide a comfortable and stay-cool grip, making it safer and more pleasant to handle the pots and pans while cooking. The stainless steel rivets are there to ensure strong and secure handling. The tempered glass lids are also worth noting. They are described as shatter-resistant and feature vents to help prevent splattering and overflows. The visibility of the glass lids is always a plus, allowing you to keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat or moisture. They are designed to lock in moisture and flavors. When it comes to oven use, this cookware set is quite versatile. It's oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with a slightly lower limit of 400 degrees Fahrenheit when using the glass lids. This opens up a lot of possibilities for finishing dishes or for recipes that require both stovetop and oven cooking. For care, the set is listed as dishwasher safe, but hand washing is recommended. This is pretty standard for higher quality non-stick cookware, and while dishwasher convenience is nice, hand washing often helps to preserve the longevity of the non-stick coating. So, what are the pros here? The extensive 10-piece collection is a significant advantage, offering a good range of sizes and types of cookware. The ActivBond technology and hard-anodized aluminum construction promise excellent durability and heat distribution. The PFOA, PTFE, lead, and cadmium-free ceramic non-stick interior is a major plus for health-conscious cooks. The ability to sear like stainless steel, if it truly delivers, would be a game-changer for a non-stick set. Compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, and the oven-safe rating add to its versatility. The stay-cool handles and vented glass lids are thoughtful design elements. Now, for the cons or potential areas of concern. While the ActivBond technology sounds impressive, its long-term durability will need to be proven over time and with regular use. The claim of "sears-like stainless steel" is a high bar, and we'll need to see if it truly rivals traditional stainless steel in that regard. Hand washing is recommended for longevity, which might be a deterrent for those who rely heavily on their dishwasher. And as with any cookware set, the price point is always a consideration, though it's not provided here. It's something to keep in mind when evaluating value. In conclusion, the Babish 10-piece hard-anodized laser titanium forever non-stick cookware set presents a compelling package. It combines innovative technology with robust construction and a comprehensive set of pieces. The emphasis on durability, healthy cooking materials, and versatile performance makes it a strong contender for home chefs looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. If it lives up to its promises, this could be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Link in the description.